Alright, so in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you how you can crank out compelling story ads to use right on Facebook. Now, it's one thing to write good stories, and it's another thing to write stories that are compliant that you can actually use on Facebook. Now, because you're writing stories, you're trying to tap into people's emotions, it can be very easy to violate the Facebook advertising policies. Now, with what I'm about to share with you, it's super easy to crank out these stories and still stay compliant. And not just staying compliant, these stories are actually compelling. So the first thing you want to do is head over to Cop AI, as you see on your screen. This is an AI tool that you can use to write, your advertising copies that are not just compliant, but they convert and they are compelling, they are persuasive, right? And you can get a free trial. Once you sign up for a free trial, you're given 2,000 words to play with, and it's super easy to get registered. Simply just filling in your details and you're in. All right. Now, once your details are filled in and you're registered, you've confirmed your account, you should find yourself inside of the dashboard, and it looks something like this. Now, inside of your dashboard, you're going to see different things from your documents, your COPs, AI chat tutorials that you can use to get yourself really abreast with or how to actually make use of the platform. And there's an affiliate program, your membership, of course, the transactions that you've had in your account settings, and you can decide to log it here. But what we're going to be, focusing on today is the COPs. All right. So there are different COPs inside of CopyCop AI, and these different COPs helps you to write different types of ad copies, different types of copies. All right. And there's still the AI chat that allows you to have conversations, right? Like you're having in one-on-one conversation with someone, right? And there are a few of them here. We have the marketing consultant, email copywriter, Facebook audience expert, SEO content writer to help you to come up with search engine optimized articles, content, right, that you can have on your blogs. So of course, increase your traffic. All right, so let's head over to COPS. So you want to go to COPS and you want to look for the creative story ad. Click into it, and what you want to do here is fill in the type of story you want to write. Is it an emotional story? Is it a persuasive story? Like you want to fill that in here. So I'm just going to do an emotionally compelling story. So I'm going to do emotionally. All right. And what's my product? I'm just going to use hair serum. Okay. And my target audience is a woman, right? Who is 25 to, let's say, 50. Right. Your target audience could be working class, could be busy moms. You can have it right there as well. And the pain point is that she's having itchy scalp. Okay. Now you can leave everything as it is, but where it says mass result length, now because you are probably using the trial version or you're on a trial plan, if you are, you want to make sure that you reduce this length because you're on 2000, so you want to reduce this to 2000. All right, so that you don't have errors, because if you have it 3000 and your word count is 2000, because on the free account on your trial you have access to 2000 words, so you want to stay within that range, right? But I'm going to do 3000 because I'm on a premium account. Great. So here we have our copy, right? In a few minutes, less than a minute, you have the copy here, and It says compliant Facebook ad. It's compliant and you can use this right on Facebook. And if you read through this, you will know that this is quite some compelling story ad copy. So this is how you can come up with, really compelling, persuasive story copies that you can use on Facebook, right? All you just have to do is add a little bit of tweak to it, like adding your call to action. And in fact, you can decide to repeat the process and see another version that this brings up. So if I go ahead and click on submit, and here you can see that you now have another compliant story ad copy. And of course, you can compare and, decide on which you want to actually, launch on Facebook. So this is how you can, get yourself really compelling and persuasive story ad copies that you can use right on Facebook. Hope you enjoy this. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and to get your account on CopyCop, just look somewhere in the description or go to copycopai.com and you should be able to get yourself an account. Take care.